right, those were just my Rhodes dinner rolls that we have in our greased air fryer. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in there, keep my air fryer off, and let them rise. All right, our dinner rolls have risen. Look how beautiful those look. We're instantly gonna just drizzle our olive oil on top of these. Just a quick, beautiful drizzle. You can use butter if you don't have olive oil, but this is what's gonna make it great. And I cleaned my hands, and we're just gonna go ahead and push down our rolls. The olive oil helps our fingers not stick. This is gonna be really good, you guys. Okay, and don't forget we greased our air fryer. Perfect. I'm gonna wash my hands one more time. Now I'm coming in with some cherry tomatoes that I diced up, and we're gonna just sprinkle those right on top of our rolls with that olive oil. Just kind of get it evenly distributed on there. The good thing about this recipe is you can add whatever you like. If you don't like tomatoes, you don't have to add tomatoes. If you wanna add some olives, that would be delicious. Just add what you like. Okay, those look perfectly distributed. Now I'm gonna come in with my feta crumbles. I saw this recipe on Instagram and I just had to try it out for myself. It just looked so delicious. I am just gonna add a nice little sprinkle of that feta on there. Beautiful. I'm sure some of you guys can tell what I'm making, but it's gonna be really delicious. Next, I'm gonna come in with some fresh rosemary, and I have my little herb kind of detacher, and it just helps get all of those rosemary leaves just right off of the stem. Once you have enough rosemary to your liking, we're gonna just season this super quick with some black pepper. Just like with the toppings, you can season this however you like. This is such a fun and easy recipe. I'm so excited to be trying it for you guys and let you guys know what the big deal is. Okay, now that we got our black pepper on there, I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit of garlic salt. You guys know I need a little garlic in everything. And we're just gonna sprinkle it right on top. You can skip it if it's not your favorite, but I personally love some garlic salt. And that is it for our toppings. This looks absolutely delicious. It smells really good with that rosemary. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in our air fryer. And this is gonna cook up super quick. We're gonna do air fry. We're gonna do the temp to 350. And then we're gonna bake it for about 10 minutes. It's super quick, you guys. So let's go ahead and let that cook up. So exciting. Oh my goodness. Let's check this out, you guys. Oh my, that looks absolutely incredible. Literally cannot ask for anything better. All right, so we're gonna try to get this baby out. I have my spatula here. Like I said, I did grease the air fryer, so it should realistically slide right out. Woo! Okay, so our focaccia bread just came out of the air fryer, and this looks absolutely delicious. Let's go ahead and cut a piece. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look so good? Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh. I think the bottom needed a little bit more cooking, but it tastes delicious.